So I'm Linda,
And I'm Yoko.
and today we are going to do another challenge. Since we didn't have what is it called? Marshmallows, we're gonna do the Chubby Bunny challenge, but instead we are using bananas and we're calling it Chubby Monkey. 1. You can count.
Okay, 1. Say it.
Chubby Monkey, yeah.
2.
Chubby Monkey.
3.
Chubby Monkey.
4.
Chubby Monkey.
5.
Chubby Monkey.
6.
Chubby Monkey.
15.
Chubby Monkey. Chubby Monkey.
Ew, that's wrong.
8. Chubby Monkey.
Hmm?
Chubby Monkey.
They don't bananas.
Chubby Monkey.
That's gross. 20. Ew.
Smells like honey and mustard in here. Okay, so I got 20. Give me my towel, please.
Whipped cream on it for my face. Ew, you touched me. Don't touch me.
Okay, so now it's Miyoko's turn. You like bananas?
I do, but not like that.
1.
Chubby monkey.
2.
Chubby monkey.
3.
Chubby monkey.
4. Five.
Monkey.
6.
Oh! Stop it! Chubby monkey. 12.
12. Okay, let's go. It looks like the Gerber banana. 12. Or what? 17. Yeah. Okay, go. Go. 19. 20. 21. You just. Oh. Okay, so I'm the loser.
There's things in here.
Yeah, it does. Okay, so the loser has to. I just got some random stickers, but the loser has to put as many stickers on their
need a
face
towel.
as bananas they ate. So since I ate 20 bananas, I have to put 20 stickers all over my face. 8. 9.
What number am I?
16. 17.
Okay.
18. 2 more.
Oh, this is a
4
tree.
on my nose.
Okay.
19. 1 more. Oh! Right here. 20. Okay. So that's finishing penalty. And it's been fun. Ow! Ow! It's on my eye! yeah, so bye guys.
Bye.